Grocery stores come in all different shapes and sizes, and their freight needs depend on several different factors, like the type of grocery they sell, the size of their storefront, and the number of locations they have, and a whole bunch of other factors that make it impossible to apply a one-size-fits-all solution to their supply chain. That doesn't stop a lot of companies from trying, though. These solutions become even more bespoke as you narrow in on the niches within the grocery space, like a chain of bulk food stores, for example. So here's the challenge. We have a customer that needs to move pallets of bulk food from their warehouse here in Ontario to various storefronts across Canada. Each location will need varied quantities of many different types of product. Store A might need a restock of almonds and basmati rice, while Store B might not need almonds at all, but will need gummy candies and powdered juice mix. Now add in a bunch more locations and the challenge becomes even more difficult. The complexity increases even more once you add in the fact that the retail space for each location is extremely limited, offering virtually no backroom storage space like you would find in a traditional grocery store. This means shipments need to come in a timely manner and be able to flex with the various needs of the store. And as always, bonus points if you can come up with a solution that is both cost-effective and sustainable. So how do we do it? Let me show you. Step 1, find the right modes. The challenge I just walked you through is a perfect example of how blended solutions are king when it comes to solving complex supply chains. For this solution, we blended a combination of truckload, LTL, and intermodal so that we could move our customers' freight more efficiently and with less environmental impact than a single solution offering. Step 2, get the freight from the warehouse to the store. Once it was loaded with freight, the truck takes the container to a nearby rail yard, where it can be taken off the truck and put onto a train using one of these or one of these. Then the freight makes its way to a Bison warehouse, where the freight is deconsolidated and then sent out using our LTL network. Step 3, the bonus points. As I mentioned before, there are bonus points for doing things more efficiently and sustainably. While we already added huge value by moving the long leg of the journey over rail, our hardworking team identified another area of improvement. Remember how one of the difficulties with the supply chain was the fact that the storefront had almost no backroom storage? We didn't cover what you do with all the empty pallets once the product is on the shelves. Not only do these pallets stack up in odd places, making what little storage you do have messy and dangerous. These pallets are also worth money once they're returned for recycling. So, using the same LTL network, we arranged for pallet pickup, consolidating pallets and then hauling them back to the manufacturer for recycling, putting more money back into our customers' pocket and creating sustainable solutions while we do it.